Complete guide to weighted vests, benefits, risks, and how to use. Weighted vests have been used by the military and law enforcement for conditioning for years. Now, thanks to social media, more regular people are using them to enhance their workouts. But here's the catch. Weighted vests aren't suitable for everyone, and wearing one that doesn't fit properly or is too heavy can lead to problems. So, before you put one on, there are a few things to consider. Bones are living structures that respond to pressure and stress, according to Bashir Zakaria, Chief of Sports Medicine at Johns Hopkins University School of Medicine, Department of Orthopedics. Regular use during weight-bearing activities, such as walking or bodyweight exercises like planks and push-ups, can stimulate bone growth and help slow or prevent bone loss. Kristen M. Beavers, a professor of internal medicine at Wake Forest University School of Medicine, called weighted vests portable exercise equipment because they allow you to add weight to everyday activities. But the research on their effectiveness is mixed. One study published in June by Beavers and other researchers from Wake Forest found that wearing a weighted vest or participating in resistance training did not prevent bone loss in older adults trying to lose weight. However, another study conducted by the University of Gothenburg in Sweden and published in May found that those who wore heavy weighted vests for 8 hours a day over 5 weeks showed a decrease in waist circumference and an increase in lean mass in the areas where the loaded weight had been used. So, what should you look for in a weighted vest? Austin Current, author of Science of Strength Training, Understand the Anatomy and Physiology to Transform Your Body, recommends buying a higher quality brand from a company with a proven track record of good customer service. Vests can cost anywhere from $30 to $300, but they can sell for as much as $700. Fit and comfort can influence the likelihood that you will use a weighted vest. Current says to measure yourself based on the vest company's sizing charts to achieve the best fit for your structure and build. Zakaria advises starting with 5 to 10% of your body weight, as you don't want it to be too heavy. Current agrees, saying that starting with weighted vests in a place that is too heavy can be ambitious but also dangerous. He suggests staying within a weight that allows for a natural gait and using a vest that allows you to increase the weight gradually. However, Zakaria recommends that people who are overweight or have back problems, as well as those with past knee injuries and cardiac or respiratory histories, stay away from weighted vests. If you're new to strength training and have been performing bodyweight exercises, adding a weighted vest to your routine, you'll have a better chance to progress the resistance on all your exercises, which is a great start, according to Current. Discover the benefits of weighted vests. Are they right for you? Unleash the power of weighted vests, a game changer for fitness enthusiasts. In the bustling city of Metro Detroit, a unique fitness trend is gaining momentum, and it's all about adding weight to your daily routine. But is it a smart move or just a passing fad? Let's dive in and explore the world of weighted vests. Imagine stepping up your daily walk with a secret weapon, a weighted vest. It's an intriguing concept, right? Local 4 took the plunge and headed to Livonia to uncover the truth behind these vests. The verdict? Some locals are absolutely loving the extra challenge. Meet Lindsay Sheridan and Ashley Seelbach, 2 fitness enthusiasts who discovered the power of weighted vests on Instagram. Inspired by the promise of stronger cores and better bone density, especially relevant for women as they age, they decided to give it a go. And they're not alone. Many Metro Detroiters are embracing this unique fitness tool. But here's where it gets controversial. Is a weighted vest the right choice for everyone? Not according to Nick Parkinson, supervisor of athletic training at Henry Ford Health. He emphasizes the importance of caution, especially for those recovering from lower body injuries. It's a reminder that while weighted vests offer potential benefits, they're not a one-size-fits-all solution. Lindsay and Ashley, despite initial reservations, are now advocates for weighted vests. They admit it felt strange at first, even silly, but the results speak for themselves. They feel stronger, more confident, and their walks have taken on a whole new level of intensity. And this is the part most people miss. Weighted vests are an affordable way to enhance your fitness journey. Starting at just $20, they're a cost-effective way to boost your calorie burn and strengthen your core. But remember, it's crucial to start slow and build up gradually. as advised by experts like Parkinson. So, are weighted vests the right fit for you? It's a personal choice, but with the right approach, they could be a powerful addition to your fitness arsenal. The key is to listen to your body, seek professional advice, and embrace the challenge. After all, isn't that what fitness is all about? What's your take on weighted vests? Do you think they're a game changer or just a temporary trend? Share your thoughts in the comments and let's spark a conversation. The benefits of weighted vests for women. Expert insights. Have you noticed the rise of weighted vests in your social media feeds lately? It seems everyone is wearing them, from doing dishes to taking a stroll, claiming they're the secret to their fitness success. But what's all the fuss about? Are weighted vests really worth the hype, or are they just another accessory to check off your Amazon shopping list? Let's dive into the science behind these seemingly tactical garments and see what they can truly offer, especially for women. According to Dr. Mark Kovacs, a performance physiologist and former VP of Health and Performance at Canyon Ranch, weighted vests are neither a scam nor a universal solution. Their effectiveness depends on your specific goals, the context in which you use them, and the guidance you follow, he explains. For women concerned about bone health, posture, metabolism, and functional strength, weighted vests can be incredibly beneficial. First things first, do weighted vests actually help you burn more calories? Many influencers promise miraculous results, but the truth is a bit more nuanced. A weighted vest can increase your energy expenditure, but for activities like walking, the boost is usually around 8 to 12%, says Kovacs. To see significant calorie burn, consistency is key. Adding a weighted vest to your weekly routine won't magically transform your body overnight. Now, what about posture and core strength? Here, the vest shines. By adding extra weight, it encourages upright posture and core engagement, especially during exercises like squats or stair climbing. It serves as a feedback mechanism to improve body awareness and balance, notes Kovacs. However, the real magic lies in how your body responds to the added load. Being mindful of your form and comfort level will help maximize these benefits. One of the most compelling reasons to wear a weighted vest is for bone density support. This is particularly important for postmenopausal women whose estrogen levels decline. Weighted vests apply gentle stress to the spine and hips during walking or bodyweight exercises, stimulating osteogenic responses that preserve bone density, explains Kovacs. Studies have shown improved bone mineral density in users of weighted vests in weight-bearing routines. Of course, no fitness trend comes without potential downsides. Individuals with joint issues, especially in the knees or lower back, should proceed with caution. Starting with a lighter weight, about 4 to 10% of your body weight, and avoiding high-impact movements until your body adjusts is crucial. Additionally, improperly fitted vests can increase intra-abdominal pressure, affecting diaphragmatic breathing, especially in postpartum or pelvic floor sensitive individuals. Kovacs advises incorporating weighted vests into low-impact activities, like daily walks or incline walking for bone loading. They can also enhance body weight resistance training exercises, such as squats, lunges, and push-ups. However, it's essential to rotate their use with restorative and mobility exercises to prevent overloading the central nervous system or joints. In conclusion, weighted vests can be a valuable addition to a balanced training plan, particularly for women seeking to improve musculoskeletal health and metabolic resilience. But remember, the key is thoughtful integration and proper use. So next time you see someone strutting around in a weighted vest, you'll know the real story behind the trend.